Microsoft's breaking free from OpenAI with its own models, Meta's pushing AI reasoning to 99.9% accuracy, and Google's finally delivering the video creation platform we've all been waiting for. We've got everything from smart glasses that translate in real time to AI that can spot deepfakes with 98% precision. This is the episode for anyone tracking the hottest releases, wondering what's actually worth their attention, and maybe looking for inspiration for their next project. Welcome back to X8 by Toolverse, and let's dive in. Microsoft's Independence Play, MAI Voice 1 and MAI-1 Preview. Microsoft just fired a massive shot across the AI landscape with its first fully in-house models, MAI Voice 1 and MAI-1 Preview. This isn't just another product launch, it's Microsoft's declaration of independence from OpenAI. MAI Voice 1 is their lightning-fast speech generation powerhouse, capable of producing a full minute of high-quality audio in under a second on a single GPU. We're talking professional-grade voice synthesis that's already powering Copilot daily and their new podcast features. The efficiency is staggering. It's designed for both single and multi-speaker scenarios with what Microsoft calls high-fidelity, expressive audio. Meanwhile, MAI-1 Preview represents their text model ambitions, trained on approximately 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. It's built to excel at instruction following and everyday queries. What's fascinating is Microsoft's strategy here. They're not trying to build the biggest model. Instead, they're focusing on efficiency and consumer optimization, something that could give them a real edge in practical applications. The timing couldn't be more strategic. With tensions rising between Microsoft and OpenAI, these models give Microsoft the independence they need, while potentially offering better integration with their existing ecosystem of Windows, Office, and Teams. OpenAI's GPT-Realtime goes production. Ready? OpenAI wasn't sitting idle. They've officially moved their real-time API out of beta and introduced GPT-Realtime, their most advanced speech-to-speech model yet. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a fundamental architectural shift. Unlike traditional voice AI that chains together speech-to-text, language processing, and text-to-speech models, GPT-Realtime handles everything in one unified system. The result? Dramatically reduced latency, while preserving all the subtle cues that make conversation feel natural. Pauses, laughter, tone changes, even mid-sentence language switching. The performance improvements are measurable. 82.8% accuracy on reasoning tasks compared to 65.6% from their previous model, and 30.5% on complex instruction following versus 20.6% before. Exclusively available through the Realtime API. But here's what's really exciting for developers. The API now supports image inputs, phone calling through Session Initiation Protocol, SIP, and Remote Model Context Protocol servers. This means you can build voice agents that can see, make actual phone calls, and connect to external tools, all through a single API. HunyuanVideo-Foley, open source audio revolution. Tencent's Hunyuan team just solved one of AI video's biggest problems with HunyuanVideo-Foley. Ever notice how AI-generated videos feel eerily silent? This open-source model changes that by generating professional-grade Foley audio that's perfectly synchronized with video content. The technical innovation here is impressive. Most video-to-audio models suffer from modality imbalance. They pay too much attention to text prompts and ignore what's actually happening in the video. HunyuanVideo-Foley solves this with a multimodal diffusion approach that balances visual and textual information intelligently. The results speak for themselves. 48 kHz professional-grade audio output that supports everything from footsteps and ambient sounds to complex multi-speaker scenarios. For content creators, this is huge. No more hiring Foley artists or dealing with copyright-heavy sound libraries. Just upload your silent footage, describe what you want, and get broadcast-ready audio. Google Vids gets AI avatars and image-to-video. Google Vids just became the video creation platform everyone's been waiting for, with a massive update that includes AI avatars, image-to-video capabilities powered by VO3, and automatic transcript trimming. The AI avatar feature is particularly game-changing for businesses. You can now write a script, select an avatar, and generate professional-looking training videos, demos, or announcements without ever stepping in front of a camera. This puts enterprise-grade video creation tools that previously cost thousands of dollars into the hands of anyone with a Google Workspace account. The image-to-video capability is equally impressive. Upload any photo, a product shot, company logo, or marketing image, and VO3 transforms it into dynamic 8-second clips with native audio generation. For marketers and social media managers, this is a productivity revolution. What sets Google Vids apart is its integration with the entire Google ecosystem. You can start with a Google Doc, let Gemini generate a video template, add your own media from Drive, and collaborate in real time just like you would with slides or sheets. xAI's Grok Code. Fast 1, speed meets intelligence. Elon Musk's xAI entered the coding assistant arena with Grok Code Fast 1. And the fast in the name isn't marketing hype. This 314 billion parameter mixture of experts model delivers approximately 92 tokens per second with a massive 256,000 token context window. What makes this model special isn't just speed, it's the agentic coding capabilities. Grok Code Fast 1 shows its thinking trace and supports function calling, meaning it can run shell commands, edit files, and perform multi-step operations autonomously. It's not just generating code, it's executing entire coding workflows. The pricing is aggressive, 20 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens, with cached tokens at just 2 cents per million. Compare that to premium models that cost over $1,000 per million tokens, and you can see xAI's strategy to gain market share through accessibility. The model is already available through GitHub Copilot's public preview, making it accessible to millions of developers immediately. Cohere Command A, enterprise-grade efficiency. Cohere's Command A isn't trying to be the biggest model. It's trying to be the smartest for enterprise use. At 111 billion parameters, it runs efficiently on just 2 GPUs while delivering 150% higher throughput than its predecessor, Command R+. The model excels at enterprise-critical tasks, retrieval-augmented generation, IRAG, tool use, and multilingual capabilities across 23 languages. With a 256,000 token context window, it can handle lengthy documents and complex business workflows without breaking stride. What's compelling for businesses is the deployment flexibility. Command A can run privately within company infrastructure, addressing data security concerns while maintaining competitive performance with much larger models. Lightning round, 5 more game changers. Google Gemma 3270M. Google's compact powerhouse designed specifically for task-specific fine-tuning. At just 270 million parameters, it's optimized for developers who need efficient, specialized models that can run anywhere from workstations to smartphones. HTC Vive Eagle Smart Glasses. HTC's entry into the AI glasses race weighs under 49 grams and packs a 12-megapixel camera, AI assistant powered by Google Gemini, and real-time translation in 13 languages. Currently available only in Taiwan for around $520. It's positioned as a direct competitor to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. eBay's AI seller tools. eBay's suite of AI tools for sellers includes listing optimization, demand prediction, and automated pricing. More than 10 million sellers have used these tools to create over 200 million listings, with 500,000 listings daily, now crafted with AI assistance. Universal AI Detector. Scientists developed a detection system achieving 95 to 99% accuracy in identifying deepfake videos across all manipulation types. Unlike previous tools that focused only on facial manipulation, this universal detector analyzes entire video backgrounds and can even identify realistic video game footage as synthetic. Xiaomi's MAI-1 Xiaomi's open-source voice model powers over 30 smart features across their product lineup. The model doesn't just understand speech. It can detect ambient sounds, background music, and environmental noise, making it perfect for smart home security and automotive applications. Behind all these technical achievements lies a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Microsoft's breaking free from OpenAI, Google's democratizing video creation, and Xiaomi's building voice AI that actually understands context, not just commands. What strikes me most is the accessibility. Cohere's Command A runs on 2 GPUs. Google Gemma 3270M works on smartphones. HunyuanVideo-Foley is completely open source. We're moving from big tech exclusivity to tools any developer can use. The Deepfake Detector hitting 98% accuracy shows the industry's maturity. As AI gets better at creating synthetic content, we're getting better at detecting it. It's an arms race where transparency is winning. These aren't just product launches. They're building blocks for the next wave of applications. The question isn't whether you should pay attention, it's which ones will power your next project. The future's already here, and it's more accessible than ever.